Hi, my name is Joe with Metro Design, and today I'm going to show you 3 things you can do to boost your online presence, your online Google ranking, and help you bring in some of those leads you're missing out on. Help business build this awesome business. Sorry. Yeah. So let's get started. Right. So the first thing is going to be content. Google loves content. The more stuff you have on your website, meaning the more back pages, the bigger your website is built out. Google loves that. They also love how many words you have on your home and your back pages. Right? Content is king. So we focus on it first. So first, Google likes 1,500 to 2,000 words on your home page. And you had 280 words on your home page. So help there. We also want to focus on keywords as well. So get that 1,500 to 2,000 words on there. But you also want a keyword for every 100 words you have. Right? Keywords are what people are searching for in your area. For example, a keyword would be, right? That's 590 search volume a month for that one keyword. So we're going to throw that in there for sure, along with many others. Once you start ranking for those, that's a lot of search volumes, right? So that would be awesome. Next, right, so you have a lot of built out pages, which is good work there. But they were only sitting at, 200 or so words, right? We need that 500 to 700 word limit or goal that Google likes to see, so you can start ranking your website faster and easier. Zerorez, Kansas City. Everybody knows them, right? There's a reason, because their websites are good. They're outranking their competition. Honestly, not by a whole lot, but enough that they're bringing in more leads and more money monthly than you are. So on their homepage, they were sitting at I think it was 600, right? So if we get that 1,500 to 2,000 word goal that Google likes to see, you could easily outrank them in the content area. And then if we go out there and get you better keywords, the same keywords they have, you'll be right there with them. As far as their service pages, they were sitting up at about the same you were at, about 280 or so. So, right, just throw in that content that you're missing, throw in those keywords. You could easily outrank zerorez with content. Now, how awesome would that be, right? How awesome would it be to take zerorez Kansas City #1 spot, right? That would be awesome. Next is going to be citations. Citations are your business name, address, and phone number on different websites. The more you have, it's going to be easier for Google to rank you in the local map listing. These guys are #1 with 24 citations and a bunch of 5-star ratings. So we'll have to help you with the 5-star rating as well. But today we're talking about citations. So they're the business name, address, and phone number, like I said before. Pretty easy and straightforward. But if you wanted to, you could come in here, get the ones that you are missing, and start sitting at 24. But we're not trying to just sit even with them. We're trying to outrank them, outperform them in every area, so it's easier for us to rank and faster for us to rank, and we can stay at the top longer. So we like to double, triple whoever has the top number. So 24. So we'll be 50, 60 citations right off the bat. So once they know they're not on top, which obviously they will, it's going to be harder for them to go out there and get more citations without us knowing. And if they do, we'll just keep piling them on. It's kind of like a race. You can stay on top. So citations, that's it. Pretty straightforward, like I said. Next, backlinks. Backlinks are what push power to your website. the more you have, the better quality backlinks you have, the more power to your website, meaning it's going to boost you in rankings, right? The thing to remember with backlinks is quality over quantity every time. If you go out there and get 20 bad backlinks, I go out there and get 10 good quality backlinks, I'm going to outrank you every day, every month. So we keep that in mind when we're going out there searching for backlinks for you guys. So this is your info right here. 35 websites pushing 60 backlinks to your website. And you can see how many keywords that you're ranking for. 122 keywords, bringing you in estimated 77 traffic to your website. Right? It's not bad, but we can do a lot better. Right? We can reach your goals. We can rank you. Right? That's what we want to do. We don't want to just be mediocre. Right? We want to be the best. So if we come over here, get this guy, and then punch his information in, you'll see the difference real quick. So alright, so 136 websites pushing 581 backlinks to this guy, right? I think you were sitting at like 130 something. So you can see the difference. You can see why he's ranking, why he's on top. 332 keywords that he's ranking for, bringing him in 323 organic traffic to his website a month. He was sitting at 77, right? We can do better, right? We have to. We have to reach your goals. So that is it for this video. Hope you found it informative. I hope you liked it. Go ahead and reach out to us through Facebook. You can call or text anytime, 515-468-3039. Thanks.